Hello everybody, welcome to Breakaway SC Box Breaks for 2013-2014 Panini Contenders Box Break number 33. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is any 206-571-185. That's any 206-571-185. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Start off with an all base patch. Contenders Legacies of Brett Hall for the Blues, 60 out of 499. Oh, rookie ticket auto is Ms. Gurgensons for the Sabres. And a rookie Chris Terry for the Hurricanes, 294 to 600. We got a big hit coming up here. Got an 8 auto of Vladislav Tretiak, Daryl Sittler, Bill Barber, Jerry Cheevers, Peter Stastny, Boris Salming, Larry Robinson, and Rogie Vachon. Going to randomize this at the end. So what we have to do with the Soviet Union one is we're going to take all 30 teams and then randomize it so whoever ends up on top gets that spot. So say after 3 times Edmonton gets the spot, so then you'll have the Soviet Union spot. Just so everybody knows. So I'll have to do 2 randoms for that card. That's a pretty big hit. Got a Cup Contenders 21 out of 499, Joe Thornton for the Sharks. Fezzik Contenders, 119 out of 499 for the Capitals of Braden Holtby. And our first draft's autograph for the Oilers of Taylor Hall. Rookie ticket auto, Eric Hartzell for the Penguins. And a rookie, it is 129/600. Jean-Gabriel Pageau for the Senators. And there we go. So let me get the random set up, 1 second. Like I said, we're going to randomize all 30 teams first. To get the winner, the spot for the Tretiak card. And then we'll randomize the 8 teams on the card. So here we go. First off, we'll do the random. So all 30 teams are in here. Randomize the list 3 times. Here you go, good luck. 1, 2, and 3. 3 times. So Edmonton is the winner of that spot. So I'll put Edmonton in here. And then again on the card, so Edmonton in the first spot, we got So we got Edmonton, then we have Sittler for Toronto, Barber for Philadelphia, Cheevers for Boston, Paul Stastny for the Avalanche, Peter Stastny for the Avalanche, Salmi for Toronto, Larry Robinson for Montreal, and Rogie Vachon for the Kings. Randomize it 3 times, good luck. 1, 2, and 3. Boston, you're the big winner of that card. Congrats to Boston. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.